My nephew's staying here, and I'm giving him my fiance's brand new stuff because it's family over everything. I don't care. Like, you here, you family. You ain't got nothing to wear? Here, I'm gonna go in the closet and find you something. Y'all have a good day at school, okay? Now go. Look at her, always mean. Have a good day. Now that they're off to school, I'm about to get in the shower and get ready for work. This is me, about to go to work. I gotta put my shoes and stuff on, and then I'm heading out to work. So, just shrubs. Drop my baby off at work. We running a little late, so I gotta hurry up.